Hi everyone. Manhart is usually associated with tuned BMWs, but the Wuppertal-based company got its hands on a Mercedes-AMG E63 S, bringing supercar-level performance to the sports sedan. The Manhart ER 800, as it is called, will be produced in a limited number of 5 units, making it the ultimate rival of the BMW M5-based MH5 800. Manhart's offering is based on a pre-facelift E63 S, but the same upgrades could be applied to the facelifted model. After all, both cars are fitted with the same twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 engine from AMG. The engine produces 603 horsepower, 405 kilowatts, and 850 Nm, 627 pounds-to-foot, sending power to all 4 wheels through an AMG Speedshift 9-speed dual-clutch transmission and the 4MATIC Plus system. Thanks to upgraded turbochargers, intercooler, a new carbon intake, spots downpipes with 300-cell catalytic converters, only for export, and ECU remapping, power has been increased to 798 horsepower, 595 kilowatts, and torque to an impressive 1070 Nm, 789 pounds-to-foot. In order to better handle this much power, Manhart also upgraded the brakes with carbon ceramic discs measuring 405 mm, 15.9 inches, at the front. They also lowered the air suspension by 20 mm, 0.79 inches, to 30 mm, 1.18 inches, either via new coupling rods or via software adjustment. The ER 800 received the Manhart treatment with golden graphics contrasting the black bodywork and the custom black grille. The livery is combined with a set of matte black 21-inch classic line rim shod and performance tires measuring 255/30 ZR21 at the front and 295/25 ZR21 at the rear. If you are interested in tuning your own Mercedes-AMG E63 S, the performance kit for the engine costs €17,999, $21,108, and the carbon intake adds €4,630, $5,430. However, this applies to the full 798 horsepower, 595 kilowatts, of power, since Manhart also provides cheaper options for less power using the Tronic module. The exhaust system will cost you €8,499, $9,968, plus €2,899, $3,400, for the downpipes and €700, $821, for the carbon or ceramic tailpipes. For a sportier look, you will have to pay €8,200, $9,614, for the rims, €999, $1,172, for the decals, €595, $698, for the black grille surround, and €355, $416, for lowering the air suspension. Finally, inside you can add Manhart floor mats for €178, $209, and a Rolls-Royce style Starlight headliner for €1,990, $2,333. After watching the video, please let us know in the comments section below how much you liked the video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not, and activate the notification bell so that you receive all our videos. Anyway, have a nice day and see you in the next video. Thank you.